The crispy fried egg. It's like the side order of French fries in any other country, but in Thailand it sits on top of stir-fried dishes, on top of all sorts of lunch dishes, dinner dishes. It adds texture and creaminess and flavour, but there's a technique to getting it just right. Okay, Mum, kai dao. So this is my mum. My mum is going to show us how to do the ultimate Thai technique for crispy fried egg or kai dao. Let's do it.
Yes.
What do you have to do first?
We have to wait the oil hot.
Yeah.
Before you put the egg.
And you want a lot of oil, don't you?
A lot of oil.
Yeah.
You put it in. Put it in. They start to bubble.
Okay.
The same what you do with the
French fry or frying anything. Okay.
Yes.
But you want to have a lot of oil in it, don't you?
Yeah. Now
Let's
the oil.
start with the oil. So you don't have to do it in a wok. You could do it in a pan as well, right?
In a pan, I don't think very good because they need to be.
You can totally do it in a pan.
You can do it in a pan, but have to be a little bit deeper. Not,
Okay,
not
a
a
deep
flat
pan, a deep
pan.
pan. Or, but you're saying wok only. Okay, I'm saying pan. You're saying wok only. But that's all right. So we got some oil. Is that getting hot? Oh yeah. So this is the wooden spoon. The wooden spoon will make it bubble when it's hot enough.
What I will do is they put like this.
Oh,
that sounds
listen to
good.
that sound.
So what they do,
Yeah.
you have to do like this. See?
Yeah, just splash,
Yes,
splish,
splash,
splosh.
splash,
You
yes.
have to be a little careful because obviously
You
you
have
want
to
the
be
oil to
careful,
go
right?
outside
See?
of the pan and on
And
top of you.
you make sure the egg doesn't stick in the pan.
Mom, that looks so gorgeous.
That's how Thai way we have to turn egg around and you
Yeah.
set like that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh.
And now they start to, you can see
Yeah.
when they go crunchy, you can see it.
Yeah. Look at that crunch. Look at the bubble. Perfect.
Yep.
So how do we know when it's done? What are we looking for? We're looking for crispy edges. aren't we?
Crispy end, yep. So you stick that in the oil, right? That's how Thai way we do.
And don't stand too close.
No. So you see they start to
Yeah,
brown?
so it's all that brown on the
yep.
side. And so you can choose your yolk here. You could cook it really well done.
Oh,
Or-
you
I
can
like
want
it a bit-
medium or
yeah.
you want well done? But
I
nobody
like it. I
want
like it
well done, right?
Well, I like it medium with a little bit of soft, but you like it more well done. But either way is good, isn't it? So easy, guys. You just do a bunch of these and just, it doesn't have to be piping hot when you serve it, does it? Because
No.
you just sort of do all of them and then and then afterwards you would do
Yep.
your stir fry or
Yep.
whatever and
Now,
put that on top.
one.
So that can just sit there, right? And then we
Yep.
do another. All right, now I better try one, huh?
Yep.
Yeah. So I'm going to go with the Danger Mouse way. I love that
So you
sound.
see the see
Yeah.
that? Make sure that yolk, you don't want the yolk to, yes. Yep.
All right, so I like mine a little less cooked than yours. So I'm going to have a runny one. A runny, crispy egg.
So
All
you-
right, there you
Okay.
go. Crispy, crunchy, fried eggs done the Thai mum style way. Thanks, Mum.
Thank you.